A very good evening to all of you. Welcome to News 24 KARBI ANGLONG. I am BB. Now news in details. Hamrin constituency, massive corruptions in PMAY-G house at Arlong Chobat polling stations. In the time of zero tolerance, corruption of BJP lead government in all over India, but it is found massive corruption in West KARBI ANGLONG Hamrin constituency. It had also found that the PMAY-G house have not been completed properly and the materials used by the contractors was a low quality, and the tin roof used by the contractors was so worse that when the rain fall on the top of the roof, the floor becomes flat, and so the beneficiary was unhappy with those types of constructions done by the contractors. And also, the beneficiaries said they don't want a huge house, but the things which they got from the government should be made properly accordingly to the norms of the government. So, now the beneficiary pleads Hamrin constituency EM Mr. Mongol Singh Timung to look into this matter. From Rongkhang, news reported by Sambil Timung.